a Japanese Park. Isso aí é o capítulo número 3, galera. Esse parque aqui é o Parque de Japão. Aqui na cidade de Maringá. How you doing, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Enrique Mores Aventura, meu povo lindo. Como estão todos meus aventureiros? Aqui é o meu canal. Here we go, chapter number 3. Isso aí é o capítulo número 3, galera. Aqui na cidade de Maringá. Isso aqui é interior do estado do Paraná. Então, esse capítulo aqui é muito interessante e é de muita história e cultura. Eles têm aqui um parque do Japão. E então, estou aqui entrando aqui no Parque do Japão, coisa muito linda. Um espaço lindo. E aí, vamos ver, galera. Vamos ver, vamos curtir esse lugar aqui lindo. E pegar imagens da arquitetura do lugar e a ver como luce essa natureza que o parque vai oferecer aqui para o povo. Vamos curtir aqui todos juntos de boa maneira. Falou! Safety first, guys. You never know. You know, I've been when I come in front, it's very easy to lose a bike. So I'm going to lock up this, you know, and make sure, you know, I have my bike, you know, to go back. So, all right. And you never know, guys. You never know. I mean, this is a city, a very safe city, you know. I found so, but never know. Okay. So I'm here taking precautions here about it. So safe right there. Alright? I'm here. I am in a beautiful park. I mean, I'm not joking. This is beautiful and unique here in Brazil because this park is a Japanese park. Esse parque aqui é o Parque de Japão. Aqui na cidade de Maringá, in the interior of the state of São Paulo, Paraná. Sorry guys. So much beautiful thing here. If you come in the park, you gotta always check what is allowed to go in, what you cannot do, what you can do, okay? And especially if you carry drones or stuff like that, you know, because some people don't want to reveal, you know, the images. I don't know why, for some reasons, you know. But here, I spoke with the manager, and happily, he say he's okay. I can take some shot, okay? So let's see how this gonna look here in this park. Okay folks, time for me to go home. When I say go home, not to finish all the adventure right here at the state of Paraná. No, I'm saying to go back to the point where I'm resting. Alright folks, so guys, what do you think about all this beautiful Japanese park place here at the city of Maringá, the interior of the state of Paraná? For all of you guys, Enrique Morris YouTube adventurers, I know this is in the city, and my channel is about so much drone shot, nature, and so much more. But this is a combination and a very unique, place here in the center or around the city of Maringá. Okay, so you can come here with your family, take a look, take some pictures, and follow the rules. All right, guys, when you're coming here. All right. So what else to say? Thank you very much for all the new viewers. If you're new here in my channel, subscribe for more drone shot, nature adventures. So much good energy. Until the next time. Ciao.